Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the Jio Phone so the recording succeeds. Make sure battery and storage are sufficient because low power or full storage will stop you. Once ready, open Menu, go to Apps and tap Voice Recorder. You may see a microphone permission prompt. Grant it so the app can record. Now you have the recorder open and ready. Check the on-screen mic icon and meter, because that tells you the app is listening and will capture audio when you press record. You tap record to begin. Listen to the first second to confirm signal and check the level meter so the waveforms don't clip. If you need breaks, use pause then resume, which keeps one file and avoids extra exporting. Rename the draft immediately so you can find it later. Move the phone roughly 6 to 12 inches from your mouth and speak steadily, because consistent distance reduces level swings and makes post-processing or sharing much smoother. You finish by tapping stop and save. Give the file a clear name so you can recognize it later, then play it back to verify quality and length. Once confirmed, share via Bluetooth, export to micro SD, or send through an available messaging app. Make sure the receiving device supports the file. If you encounter silence, check microphone permissions first, restart the phone if needed, and clear the recorder app cache. These quick fixes resolve most recording failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.